Hey crafters, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a new video, but before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today we're going to make a multi-fold heart card. So you will be requiring a chart paper that has 45 cm of length and 35 cm of height. Start leaving a gap of 5 cm till the end. I am using a white pen so that you can see it in the video, else you can even use a normal pencil. After you're done drawing 5 cm, draw lines on those points. Repeat the same process vertically as well. So after you're done drawing all the lines, the chart paper will look something like this. Mark the numberings in the boxes. There will be total 63 boxes. Now comes the fun part. Now you need to mark crosses on all these numbers that I have shown in this photo. You can take a snapshot of this, or I'll be mentioning the link in the description box below of this photo. Now cut all the boxes that contains cross. Please fold it in the exact way as I am folding it. And your multi-fold heart card is ready. You can decorate the heart with some pattern papers. Lastly, you can decorate it with some foam sheet. Now I have cut out some heart pieces on the glitter foam sheet to make it a bit fancy. So finally our multi-fold heart card is completely ready. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button, and also please make sure to subscribe to my channel to get weekly updates about new videos. You can also stay updated through Instagram at letscraft21.